Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well and you're watching my YouTube channel Advanced Technology Verana. In today's session, I'm going to discuss about some unified related application or unified platform. However, this is not a Cisco unified platform. This is iMagical. What is iMagical? iMagical is a company name which is built in 2010, and in a small period of time, it is very well famous for cloud-based or cloud-based connected applications. And a good thing that iMagical is fully integrated with our beloved Cisco platform, and the applications which we use in the iMagical, that is for call recording, that is for screen recording, even that for digital fax, and for some calling solutions for hotel, restaurants, or the hospitals. And there is a very good huge number of applications which are very easy to deploy and very simple in integration with Cisco platform. Just recently, a few days back, I have to deploy this iMagical call recording solution. However, I face a lot of problem for the implementation. Even it is very simple, but I don't find any best or compile information available on the Google or even on the YouTube. The information is there, but it was not as per my requirement, especially for the call recording configuration. So that's why I decided that I will make one training session, might be it is 2 videos or 3 episodes of session, where I will explain the deployment of iMagical call recording system from a very scratch up to the configuration and make it practical. So let's start our lab for today. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this channel, because there are a lot of efforts happen to make these videos for you guys. And believe me, you will find this series of iMagical deployment a very easy, very friendly, and in a very easy way I'm going to make for you guys. So let's start our lab. I will share my screen now, and I will show you the iMagical website, and we will see some more things related with their solutions, and how we download, what is the requirement of the system, the compatibility metrics. And it is a very amazing product, iMagical. Okay, so guys, let's start our lab for today. So guys, this is the iMagical website. Let me show you some important things about this company. That this company founded in 2010 and part of Zucchetti Group. And iMagical is a leading company in the UC apps market with 3 offices. They have offices in Miami, Dubai, Riyadh, and France. The important thing which is mentioned here is iMagical offer a full set of cloud or cloud connected UC apps behind a single pane of glass. Okay. And the important thing which also mentioned here, that they are technical partner, because in the end they made this product to integrate with Cisco Unified Communication. This is the main advantage of this iMagical company applications to integrate with Cisco. Let me go to the download options. I'll go to the resource. I'll go to the download. So the option which are available for the download, that we can download it as a OVA template, or I can download it as a installation package over the Windows operating system. Okay, there is no difference in the both option, depend which option you would like to go. And the things with this available, let's say I'll go with the OVA. I'll make this option plus, and you will find here about again they are talking about what is the iMagical virtual appliance. Okay, and we can run it for 30 days evaluation mode. And after that you need a license for this one. And once I will install this OVA, these all apps are included in this OVA. Either you'll go with this option, or either you'll go for server installation pack. Okay, in this one it will automatically install the Windows operating system. And on this option you have to install a Windows application, and then you have to install this package over your operating system. Okay, for me I will go with the OVA, because I believe this is much easier and straightforward. Further things, you will have this application attendant console, desktop CTI, queuing manager, enterprise, auto attendant, call recording, directory and caller ID, digital fax, stone fax, accounting, budget control, voicemail. Like it's cover most of the things which is required either for any financial institution or for any other organization such as hotel, some corporate, some service provider. So all these are option with this trial period details. Okay. So same thing, if you click over here in the server installation pack, you will find the same thing. So there is no difference in this one. I have already downloaded this OVA server appliance, and now I'm going to log in to my BE6000. I have two BE6000, one as a primary, one as secondary. So I will install two OVA at the same time, and I will do it as a high availability setup as well. Okay, so let's proceed with the installation.